In this video, I'm going to give you a recipe for what I consider one of the best homemade vegetable drinks you can possibly make at home. We're going to add a little bit of protein powder. We're going to add some of my other favorite ingredients. It's going to lower your blood pressure. It's going to give you tons of energy. And it's really simple and easy to make with ingredients you can buy in your normal health food store. Hello everyone, my name is 𝙒𝘏𝙏𝘾𝙃 and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your health and fitness along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Okay, let's get right to it. This is one of my favorite vegetable drinks that I make at home all the time. If I don't have time to go to the health food store and have them make a fresh one for me right then, these are all the ingredients I buy. Keep them in the house. It's really simple to make as long as you know the right things to buy. The core ingredient of this drink are these cold pressed green drinks. Okay, I'm going to link up a video I did just specifically on this green drink. This is a cold pressed green drink. It's actually, the brand name is called Evolution. Why I like this so much, you have to be careful. There's no fruit juice in this drink. This is all greens. It's pretty much, let me read the ingredients. It's cucumber, it's celery, it's romaine lettuce, it's kale, it's lemon, it's parsley. It's really healthy, all greens, plus loaded with potassium and relatively low in calories. For example, 25 calories would give it getting over 600 milligrams of potassium. For example, a banana is 100 calories, only 400 milligrams of potassium. So this is like, for the amount of calories, it's just loaded with potassium. So this could be a core ingredient. We're going to put 8 ounces of this green drink. And I have to say, I'm a big believer in measuring everything. You know, get a measuring spoon. You know, when you're cooking, when you're making recipes, let's go. You want it to be perfect. We're going to do 8 ounces of this green cold pressed vegetable drink. Okay, now the other key ingredient for me I love fresh beet juice. Okay, there's so many reasons why I like beet juice. This is a Lakewood organic brand. First of all, also pretty high in potassium. 600 milligrams per 8 ounces, but I have to say beet juice is higher in calories. It's literally 4 times the amount of calories in a green drink. Okay, so I'm not going to use 8 ounces. I'm going to use 4 ounces of this fresh organic beet juice. Now, why are beets so good for you? First of all, beets are loaded with nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide. Studies have shown that 8 to 16 ounces of beet juice every single day lowers your blood pressure, opens up and delivers oxygen to the body a lot better. So I love beet juice. I'm going to add 4 ounces of beet juice, to this vegetable drink. Really simple. We're using the measuring cup. It gives it a nice cool red color. And I have to say, don't get nervous if you're drinking beet juice and you notice that you're urinating, your urine is a slightly different color. It could have a little pinkish color. Mine does. It doesn't happen to everyone, but it definitely happens to some people. Okay, now my other ingredient, which is incredible, apple cider vinegar. I mean, it gives it a little bite, gives it a little nice flavor. Apple cider vinegar, if you Google it, I mean, the health benefits are just like almost too numerous to even talk about in this video. Controls insulin levels. Some people think it's great for losing weight. So many, there's so many great things about apple cider vinegar. I like to put about 2 tablespoons in it. If you don't like the bite of it, if it's a little too strong for you, start out with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay. Now the other ingredients, I'm also a big believer in fish oils. And this is one of the best brands. The thing about fish oil is you have to buy a really good brand. This is Carlson's fish oil, and I would go with one of the flavored ones because it's really hard otherwise, the taste of it. This is orange. It comes in lemon. I prefer the orange, but it's really great. I try to consume about 1,000 milligrams of DHA every single day in the form of fish oil. So for example, 1 teaspoon is 500 milligrams. I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons to get my 1,000 milligrams of DHA, and all the benefits of fish oil, anti-inflammatory, great for your skin, just great for the joints. It's great all around. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of my fish oil in here, okay? And once again, we're using a measuring spoon for that. And then the last ingredient, which is a great one. I've been using this collagen protein powder. This is a great brand. It's called Great Lakes. It's the most, I think it's a high quality brand. brand. I actually called the company one time and spoke to the bioscientist who designed it, who made it. He was such a smart guy. I really loved the product. I was concerned, that it wasn't pasture raised and all things like that, and it is. It's just a really wonderful product. I'm gonna go 2 tablespoons of this, heaping tablespoons of this collagen powder in there. And let me explain what you're getting with collagen. 2 tablespoons gives you about 11 grams of protein. Now, collagen protein isn't complete protein. It doesn't have all the essential amino acids, like maybe say a whey protein or something would. But the benefits of collagen protein is like it's gonna be great for your skin, your hair, your nails. I noticed that as soon as I started drinking these drinks with the collagen protein powder in it, within about 2 to 3 weeks, my nails were so much stronger. I was getting, I'm 55 years old now. I started getting those little cracks in my nails. They instantly went away after about 2-3 weeks of doing it. And there have been some preliminary studies showing that it can potentially grow back cartilage. All your connective tissue is cartilage. If you believe in that whole primal movement of eating like the primal, years ago people did really eat, like my grandparents did. My grandparents, when they would have chicken, they break the bones apart, they suck the marrow out, they gnaw the ends of the bone, eat the cartilage away. You're kind of getting that. This is also kind of like drinking bone broth in a way. It's the collagen in the bone broth that makes it so healthy, okay? And actually, we're just gonna mix this up. Sometimes I'll make this in a shaker. For the video, I wanted to make it in here. And actually, we're gonna take a sip. Tastes great, and that's my drink. Actually below this video, I'll list all the ingredients. You can buy these at any health food store. Generally, most supermarkets will have it. The collagen protein, I buy this online. I buy it by the case. I buy 6 at a time, very affordable. If you would go, for example, to Whole Foods and look for a different brand, you would literally pay double. And I think this brand is just as good. These cold pressed drinks now, they're pretty much everywhere, but don't be fooled. Don't get the ones that have fruit juice in them. This one is called organic greens and kale, all green. The beet juice, make sure you just buy an organic brand, 100% beet juice. Apple cider vinegar, this is my favorite brand. It's called Bragg. There's a really popular brand, organic brand, but pretty much any brand is good. And the fish oil, Carlson. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And once again, if you really want to improve your health and fitness and you want to do it along with me and stay motivated with me on this journey, hit the subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day.